Hello there! They say the only thing constant is change, and change is equal to progress. Take the example of money. Money has been part of the human history for almost 3,000 years. And its concept has changed over the years. From barter system to gold coins, to paper money, to credit card transactions. It's constantly changing and progressing. And now with the digital age, money has also transformed and changed, yet to take a big, bold avatar in the form of cryptocurrency. Today, there are many cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, and many more. But what if I tell you that there is a currency which has got an edge over the others?
If you ask me what is POSYA, I can simply tell you, POSYA is freedom. And why I kept this name, what to call, how to call it in a better way. So I find the way in the dictionary, the POSYA called prosperity.
So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the decentralized digital currency. It is transferred from peer to peer on the internet without going through a bank or a clearing house. This means your fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account is always secure, and there are no prerequisites or random limits. Wow, that's really cool. So now you can invest and earn with a guarantee. That's what POSYA does.
We have been mining for 2 years, 3 years, but it's not enough because future is very fast. So we want more investments to gather the people and grow together. So whatever POSYA will mine, we'll share all the profit with the public.
But how do I invest in POSYA?
To participate in POSYA ICO, you need to go through a certain registration process. You need to enter your basic name, email ID, contact number, and the ERC compatible address. On the date of the ICO launch, you will be able to transfer the Ether, and the Ether will be credited into your account once the ICO is completed.
So let's take a look at how it works. The entire cryptocurrency network is secured by individuals called miners who verify various transactions. Once verified, the transactions are recorded in a transparent public ledger. You can buy or sell cryptocurrency from several fiat currency exchanges in the form of dollars, euros, rupees, yen, sterling, pounds. It is kept in your digital wallet on your computer or mobile, which you can send to anyone and purchase anything with it. The software is completely open sourced and anyone can review the code. Thus, no cheating, no frauds, no scams.
Itself 24/7 working on it. They have a dream. We need your support and grow together.
The digital world is a way of our lives now. Various open source softwares and technologies are bringing the world together. But in spite of our trust in the banking system, there are so many unacknowledged loopholes which disappoint us from time to time. This is what POSYA wants to solve. POSYA is a network created by the people, for the people, and also controlled by the people. POSYA is a global phenomenon, an invitation to everyone, anywhere in the open world. Join the world of cryptocurrency and let's shape up our future together with POSYA.